Hey guys, I see a few of you coming in. Sorry I was a few minutes late. Just honestly scrambling around trying to get a few of the last teams sold. I appreciate everybody filling in and grabbing some of these teams. Blake, I saw the Packers worked out good for you. Um, I guess I don't know what happened with the guy that got him. I noticed that he had just created his eBay account today and had no feedback. Um, but hey, you ended up getting a pretty good deal on the Packers, I think. So maybe we'll get you something good. Hey guys, welcome in. Thanks for joining. I'll give everybody a couple minutes here before we get started busting open some of these packs and then our mega box. And I'll go over just a couple house rules here about how things work. Paul, good to have you back in. Maybe we can get some Mahomes stuff or Clyde. I'll go ahead and start just giving a little bit of bits of information. So the card will go to whatever team name is stated on the card. So if a player is in a jersey but the team name on the card is different, it will go to the team name on the card. I do also, if we do get some of the round numbers cards that Contenders has, they'll be decided by a dice roll. So I've got my die here, and the NFL logo is the 1, and you've got the 3 and the 5. So the team on the top of the excuse me, the team on the top of the card will get the odd numbers 1, 3, and 5, and the team represented on the bottom will get the even 2, 4, and 6, and we'll do a dice roll for each one of those. If we do, yes, every card ships. Yeah. If we do get multiple of the same cards where it has 2 players from different teams, then each team will get one of those cards. I feel like that's only fair to do it that way. If we do happen to get Panini points, we will do the points will be randomed off to every team in the break at the end of the break, and I will do a dice roll. As long as the dice roll is larger than 1, that is how many times we will randomize the list. So, without further ado, I'm going to get a lot of this stuff out of the way so the camera's not focusing on what's back behind. And I'm going to start off with Elite tonight, and then we'll work our way through some of the other products. Yeah, so everything ships. Inserts, rookies are all put in sleeves, and top rookies go in top loaders. If we do get a big time hit, we pulled a Burrow red, white, and blue a little while back, and I put it in a one touch, and we did some other, not the Burrow, the Herbert. I think we've got a Burrow and Herbert, but yeah. So we can talk about shipping if we hit something massive. So good luck, everybody. Hope we can have some fun tonight and just enjoy some time together opening some packs. So out of these Donruss Elite packs, we're looking for, there's 3 pink parallels in each pack usually. And the college players are in there, or the rookies are in their college jerseys because this was an early product. TJ Watt, Kyler Murray, Phillip Lindsay, Tyreek Hill, Terry McLaurin, Tom Brady, A.J. Brown, Jamal Adams, Julio Jones, J.J. Watt, Jared Goff, Hunter Renfrow, George Kittle, Mitch Trubisky. Here comes our pink parallels. We have a Minkah Fitzpatrick for the Steelers. And we should have a rookie coming up. It is Julian Aquara for the Lions. And then we get one other insert. And this is a dual threat Jalen Samuels for the Steelers. So a nice pack for the Steelers here with a couple of the pink inserts. And then the rest are going to be base. Jimmy Garoppolo, Matthew Stafford, Tyler Boyd, Drew Brees, Gardner Minshew, Chris Carson, Amari Cooper, Derrick Henry, Leighton Vander Esch, Daniel Jones, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Aaron Jones, and Russell Wilson. Pack number 2. Yeah, these, I bought a bunch of these Elite packs for different breaks, and they're actually, I think, probably on the lower end of my favorite packs, just because they don't offer a whole lot. You get the 3 inserts, and that's about it. TJ Watt, Kyler Murray. I mean, they look nice with the shine to them and everything, but Phillip Lindsay, Tyreek Hill, Terry McLaurin. But as far as the excitement factor, it's pretty low, unless you hit something good, which we've hit a couple nice rookies. Tom Brady, A.J. Brown, Jared Goff, Hunter Renfrow, George Kittle, Mitch Trubisky, Marquise Brown, Teddy Bridgewater, Phillip Rivers, here comes our pinks, George Kittle for the 49ers, and our rookie is Zach Bond for the Saints, and our insert is going to be Michael Thomas for the Saints, Spellbound. Stafford, Tyler Boyd, Drew Brees, Gardner Minshew, Chris Carson, Amari Cooper, Alvin Kamara, Derrick Henry, Leighton Vander Esch. I feel like we cycled through a lot of these already. Daniel Jones, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Aaron Jones, and Russell Wilson. That pack looked very similar to the one before it. Last pack of Elite. Julian Edelman, Kirk Cousins, Juju Smith-Schuster, Mike Evans, Von Miller, Patrick Mahomes, Phillip Rivers, Adrian Peterson, Le'Veon Bell, Calvin Ridley, DeAndre Hopkins, Christian Kirk, Derek Carr, here come the pinks, Mike Evans, and our last rookie is going to be Desmond Patman, and the insert is Field Vision Tre'Davious White. So not great rookies out of those 3 packs, unfortunately. Cooper Kupp, Joey Bosa, Nick Bosa, David Montgomery, Joe Mixon, DJ Moore, Leonard Fournette, Danny Amendola, Baker Mayfield, Devin Singletary, Aaron Rodgers, Odell Beckham Jr., Chris Godwin, and Ryan Tannehill. Okay. Now let's do the 3 Contenders packs. See if we can turn our luck around a little bit and hit some better rookies. And out of these Contenders packs, it is 22 cards per pack. We're looking for some of the retail exclusive Emerald Parallels. Not guaranteed in every pack, but we could get one or 2 out of these 3 packs here. Okay. Derrick Henry, Jamal Adams, Stephon Diggs, Gardner Minshew, Adrian Peterson, Aaron Jones, Nick Bosa, Myles Garrett, Sterling Shepard, Jason Witten, Teddy Bridgewater, Dalvin Cook, Tyreek Hill, J.J. Watt, Juju Smith-Schuster, Sony Michel, Larry Fitzgerald, Austin Eckler. Here come our inserts at the back. We have a legendary Contenders of Mr. Jerry Rice for the 49ers. We have a rookie coming up. It is a Rookie of the Year of Jerry Jeudy for the Broncos. Nice card for the Broncos. And then we have a round numbers of CeeDee Lamb and Jalen Reagor. So that card will be done by a dice roll at the end. And we finish up with, this is one of the emeralds. You can see it there a little bit. Russell Wilson, winning ticket. I'm going to get a couple of these cards in sleeves here, now that we're starting to hit a couple nicer cards. Alright, pack number 2. That was a pretty good one. Khalil Mack, Michael Thomas, Marquise Brown, Aaron Donald, Derrick Henry, Jamal Adams, Stephon Diggs, Gardner Minshew, Adrian Peterson, Kirk Cousins, Patrick Mahomes, Marlon Mack, AJ Green, Cam Newton, Kyler Murray, Joey Bosa, Chris Godwin, Cortland Sutton. Here come the inserts. MVP Contenders Carson Wentz. We do have a rookie here. And this one's going to be Jordan Love for the Packers. Very nice. Followed up by a legendary Contenders, Barry Sanders. And we have another rookie. Let's see if this is an emerald. It is an emerald. It's a Bengal. And it's Joe Burrow. Nice. Nice card for the Bengals. I don't have, my computer went dark over here, so I don't have the team list. I'll get it pulled up right after I open this, finish this pack. Nice card for the Bengals. Emerald Joe Burrow. That's what we were looking for. I'm going to go ahead and put him in a top loader. Very nice card. Okay, bear with me 1 second while I get my computer back up. I like being able to see the team list so I can see. Okay, that's Chris. Chris, I think he picked them up when it was on the... I posted this one on the Facebook group before I did eBay, and so some of the teams sold there. If you noticed that not all of them were available on eBay, it's because several of the Facebook group members had claimed some. And so that was one of the ones that was claimed. So Chris, there you go. Card of the break so far, I think. Alright, there we go. Got Jordan Love in a sleeve. Alright, we have one pack left to go. Of Contenders. Alright. Tre'Davious White, Josh Allen, Terry McLaurin, Matthew Stafford, Jimmy Garoppolo, Khalil Mack, Michael Thomas, Marquise Brown, Aaron Donald, going to be hard to beat that last pack, but we'll try. Larry Fitzgerald, Austin Eckler, Mike Evans, Philip Lindsay, Josh Jacobs, Tyler Boyd, Kirk Cousins, Patrick Mahomes, Marlon Mack, and we have a round numbers of Cole Kmet and Chase Claypool. So again, that will go to the dice roll. A winning ticket of Cam Newton. We have a MVP Contenders Drew Brees. And are we going to get 3 emeralds out of 3 packs here? I'm not sure. We have a rookie, but I don't think. It's not an emerald. We do have a rookie, and it is James Robinson. James Robinson. Oh, nice, Christian. I forgot about that. Yeah. So you've got the Bears and Steelers. So well, there you go. There's your card. Then I don't need to. I don't need to do anything with that. Then thank you for reminding me of that. Obviously I would have seen it at the end of the break, but I'll go ahead and sleeve him up and put him over here in the good to go pile. Thanks for the reminder. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all out of Contenders. All right, let's do some regular Donruss packs. Okay, so out of here, we're looking for 4 blue press-proof parallels. And hopefully some nice rated rookie action. Maybe a good canvas rated rookie. I love those cards. I think the last time that I had 4 or 3 packs of this in a break, we didn't get any canvas. So I'm hoping that means they're all packed up in this. Okay. Here we go. Tyler Lockett, Deontay Harris, Jerry Rice, Drew Brees, Nick Bosa, Eric Kendricks, Leonard Williams, Kirk Cousins, Daniel Jones, Dwayne Haskins, Ryan Tannehill, Jamal Adams, Jalen Ramsey, Tyrell Williams, Darren Waller, Miles Jack, Robbie Anderson, Joe Schobert, Stephon Diggs, and our blue press proofs are Frank Clark, Michael Vick, Matthew Stafford. Usually we get a rookie in here, don't we? Oh, nice. A blue Jerry Jeudy. That's a good one. Broncos with a couple Jerry Jeudy cards so far. Then we have an insert of Power Formulas. Marshall Faulk for the Rams. And we have Colby Parkinson for the Seahawks. Tommy Stevens for the Saints. Grant Delpit for the Browns. And then the rest are base. Devontae Adams, Devontae Parker, and Geno Atkins. I like this Jerry Jeudy blue. It looks nice. Who has Denver in this break? Aaron, I think you also picked up. Were you the one that got the Falcons too? Maybe. Nice card. Okay, pack 2 of Donruss. Hope everybody had a good week and ready to go for the weekend. Willie Snead, LaDainian Tomlinson, Stephon Gilmore, Hunter Henry, Austin Eckler, Cortland Sutton, Drew Lock, Amari Cooper, Christian McCaffrey, Kevin Byard, Joe Namath, Jack Youngblood, Jared Goff, Hunter Renfroe, Jason Witten, Leonard Fournette, Teddy Bridgewater, Quentin Nelson, Cole Beasley. Here come the Blues. We've got an A.J. Brown, Jamison Crowder, Von Miller, and a blue rookie of LaVisca. Nice. So 2 rated rookie blue press proofs. Very nice. Follow it up. There's a canvas. Jacob Eason for the Colts. Got a little dust on it there. Well, we got a canvas. 2 rated rookies in the same pack is nice. Harrison Bryant rookie. Cole McDonald. And Xavier McKinney for the Giants. And then we have Kenny Clark, Christian Wilkins, and Ken Anderson. Alright, let me get a couple of these sleeved up. So far, 2 nice rated rookie. I don't know why this guy doesn't want to go in. There we go. It's very nice. I'm going to go ahead and put him into. I think he's going to be a great player for them. Don't know who's going to be throwing him the ball. Trevor Lawrence. I don't know. Okay, last pack. Here we go. Oh, yes. Cameron hit both of them. Phillip Rivers, Josh Allen, Will Fuller, Calvin Ridley, Barry Sanders, Christian Kirk, Kenny Galladay. I've picked up the Jaguars in a couple up breaks that other people have done. I've gotten a couple neat LaVisca cards. Anthony Miller, Mitch Trubisky, Montez Sweat, Jarvis Landry, Ronald Jones, Shaquille Barrett. Yeah, Blake, I saw you got the Dolphins too, right? And not a bad price on them either. Pretty good. DK Metcalf, Marshawn Lattimore, Kyle Juszczyk, Emmanuel Sanders, George Kittle, Kyle Rudolph. See if we can go 3 for 3 on blue rated rookies here. Michael Vick, Tyreek Hill, Patrick Mahomes blue, and we did not get a rated rookie there. Josiah DeGuara for the Packers. Follow it up with the rookies of Michael Pittman. Another nice card for you, Cameron. Tommy Stevens, Grant Delpit, and Julian Aquara are the rookies. Devontae Adams, Devontae Parker, Geno Atkins. I feel like we've seen that same pattern too there. Nice. Okay, we are getting to the big boys here now. 3 Prizm packs, and then we've got our Contenders Mega Box. So in each one of these packs, I'm sure you guys by now have seen plenty of these open, but if you haven't, there are 2 packs inside. One has 12 cards, and the other has 3 red, white, and blue cards. Out of here, you're looking for 1, maybe 2 rookies. I think I've only opened one of these that had 2 rookies in it, but we're looking for, so it would be 2 base and 1 rookie. And then out of here, we're looking for either a silver or a green parallel, and then hopefully some nice rookies as well. So good luck, everybody. Wow, this pack just opened from the side there. That's interesting. have not had one do that before. Strange. Okay. Deshaun Watson, Jamal Adams, Quentin Nelson, Michael Strahan, Patrick Mahomes, Montez Sweat, Ricky Jackson, Josh Reynolds, Michael Vick. We're getting lots of Vick cards. Okay, here comes a green. It's a green Michael Thomas. Go hard or go home. And then we have an insert that is Cooper Kupp hype for the Rams. And our rookie is, for the Jags, Colin Johnson. And we have this Kid Reporter card on the back. Nothing crazy in that first pack. See what we get out of the red, white, and blue. I feel like I say this every break, but I think typically we do better. We get better rookies out of these red, white, and blue packs than I do out of the other packs. I'm trying to open it so that we can't see what it is. All right, first red, white, and blue. Cameron Hayward for the Steelers. Danny Amendola for the Lions. And our first rookie is going to be K'Lavon Chaisson for the Jags. Man, the Jaguars are having a great break so far. Pack number 2. We've still got a lot of players to hit. Hopefully we can get a little something for everybody. Devontae Parker, Deontay Johnson, Teddy Bruschi, Roquan Smith, Dak Prescott, Harold Landry, Barry Sanders, Rondé Barber, Danielle Hunter. We have a green. This time it is of David Johnson for the Texans. And our insert is a fireworks of Ezekiel Elliott. Finish up with a rookie of Tyler Johnson for the Bucks. Another one for Blake, I think, right? No, Christian, sorry. Getting my teams confused there. Nice rookie for the Buccaneers. Okay, second red, white, and blue. Sony Michel, Melvin Gordon, and it is Noah Igbenogany for the Dolphins. Well, it's a Dolphin, but not exactly the Dolphin we were hunting for. I'll see what I can do for you, Paul, on that one. Not a whole lot to speak of for the Packers, for the Chiefs so far, I don't think. Last pack of Prizm here. Got the Kid Reporter down here. Paris Campbell, Mark Andrews, Miles Jack, Brian Dawkins, Tyrell Williams, Akeem Hicks, Harrison Smith, Greg Zerline, Teddy Bridgewater, and we have a green of DJ Moore for the Panthers. That's a pretty cool looking card. And our insert is a rookie emergent of J.K. Dobbins for the Ravens. And the last rookie is going to be Jared Pinkney for the Falcons. He does not want to go in this sleeve. There he went. I like that DJ Moore card too. All right, red, white, and blue. What have you got for us? Sterling Shepard, Curtis Samuel, and the last one is Javon Kinlaw for the 49ers. So no big rookies out of any of that, pretty much, I don't think, unfortunately. All right, let's move on to our Mega Box. So we've got 14 packs, as you can see, 1 auto, 2 mem cards, 14 inserts, 1 per pack. Here's our packs. 7 on each side. Empty box. Pack 1. Good luck, everybody. Hopefully we can hit you something out of here. Be nice to get a nice Stardust too. A.J. Brown, Kerryon Johnson, Carson Wentz, Adam Thielen, Travis Kelce, Deshaun Watson. Wow, already first pack auto Terrell Lewis for the Rams. Oh wait, there's another card on the back I didn't see. There's our auto. Terrell Lewis. I cannot say that I have heard of him before. And that's kind of been a trend out of these mega boxes, is that it's a kind of obscure person a little bit, but who knows? He might be good, and I just might not have heard of him before. Denzel Mims for the Jets. I would still rather get one of those than get points. We've gotten points a couple times, and that's a little disappointing. Yeah, no kidding. Rams all the time. Jeff remembered. I even said it in the last break. I gave everybody a heads up. If I'm doing a break and we've got contenders, get the Rams. David Montgomery, Drew Brees, Julio Jones, Keenan Allen. We'll see what we can do, Cody. I'd love to get you one. Russell Wilson, Baker Mayfield, DeAndre Hopkins. And we have another one of these. Cole Kmet, Chase Claypool. That was Christian, right? Am I getting that right this time? Yes. So we got 2 of these, so you're getting them both. Rob Gronkowski, Melvin Gordon, Alshon Jeffrey, Phillip Rivers, Ben Roethlisberger, Dak Prescott, Jason Witten. We have a winning ticket of Cam Newton. I think it's our second one of those. So we've got a couple mem cards to look forward to still, and we've had good luck with those. They've been last time it was DeAndre Swift, and we had a couple running backs, and then we did Justin Jefferson and another one. So it's been some higher profile guys. DJ Chark, Ryan Tannehill, Marvin Jones, Richard Sherman, Teddy Bridgewater, Dalvin Cook, Tyreek Hill, and a Drew Brees MVP contenders. So I'll leave it up to you guys. When we do get to one of the packs that definitely feels thicker, do you want me to go ahead and open it or save the mem packs for the very end? Let me know what you want to do, and I will do what everybody else thinks. Roquan Smith, Alvin Kamara, Todd Gurley, J.J. Watt, Juju, Sony Michel, Larry Fitzgerald. We do have a rookie. This one is James Robinson, again, Jaguars. All right, I got 2 votes for save 'em. I don't mind saving them. It kind of leaves us in suspense. Every pack means something. Jalen Ramsey, Tom Brady, Drew Lock, Tre'Davious White, Austin Eckler, Mike Evans, Phillip Lindsay, and a Brett Favre legendary contenders. We're at the halfway point. That one feels a little bit thicker, but not super thick. We'll save them. Khalil Mack, Michael Thomas, Marquise Brown, Aaron Donald, Kyler Murray, Joey Bosa, Chris Godwin, and a Tom Brady MVP contenders. Nice for the Bucks. Derrick Henry, Jamal Adams, Stephon Diggs, Cortland Sutton, Miles Sanders, Joe Mixon. We've got a rookie of the year, J.K. Dobbins. Nice card for the Ravens. No Hurts so far. No Herbert. No Tua. Yeah, we're running short on quarterbacks here. Rookie quarterbacks. Gardner Minshew, Adrian Peterson, Aaron Jones, Nick Bosa, Aaron Rodgers, TJ Watt, Ezekiel Elliott, and a legendary contenders, Emmitt Smith. That one feels a little bit thick too, I think. Jared Goff, Leighton Vander Esch, Le'Veon Bell, Josh Allen, Tyrann Mathieu, Brandon Cooks, Tyler Lockett, and an MVP contenders, Jared Goff. Preston Williams, Dwayne Haskins, Devontae Adams, Nick Chubb, Saquon Barkley, Darius Leonard, James Conner. We have a rookie of T. Higgins for the Bengals. Three packs left. Two of them should have the mem cards in them. I was hoping for a Stardust card, but I don't see any. DK Metcalf, Odell Beckham Jr., Daniel Jones, Lamar Jackson, Amari Cooper, Derek Carr, Christian McCaffrey, and Aaron Donald. Here come the Rams to finish this up. Two packs to go. All right, let's see what we get out of here. Myles Garrett, Sterling Shepard, Mark Ingram, Sam Darnold, DJ Moore, Ryan Fitzpatrick, and our mem card is, what do you know? The Rams. The Rams. Cam Akers. I can't stop pulling Rams players. I don't know what it is. Do not know what it is. Let's see. I think I need one of these for this one. Yeah, that's a good fit. Cam Akers. And I don't know if you saw this card here, but we got a Justin Herbert Jordan Love. So we will do a dice roll for that as well at the end. One more to go. No offense for the Rams, but I hope this is not a Van Jefferson jersey piece. Let's let somebody else have some of the fun here. Okay, Josh Allen, Terry McLaurin, Matthew Stafford, Josh Jacobs, Tyler Boyd, Kirk Cousins, and our other mem card is a Denzel Mims for the Jets. And followed up with another Jets card. Denzel Mims for the Jets. And then after that is a Jets round numbers. Okay, guys, I appreciate you getting in for this break. The last thing I have to do here is just do this dice roll. Thanks for hanging out with us for a little while this evening. Hope to see you in another break. I've got another one Monday. It is playoff. I've got a hobby box and 3 hanger boxes to do, so we will do that on Monday night, and those will be all eBay listings there. Okay, let's go ahead and do our dice roll. We'll start with the first one we got here. So 1, 3, 5 will be the Cowboys. 2, 4, 6 will be the Eagles. Here we go. It is a 5, so that card goes to the Cowboys. And for the Herbert Love, 1, 3, 5 Chargers, 2, 4, 6 Packers. It is a 6, so that card goes to the Packers. All right, guys, that's it for tonight. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Have a great weekend.